Well, yeah, I'm here again. Hey, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here with another video here in Miami, Florida here. Yeah, that's my view. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to show you how to make money, okay, online watching videos. How many of you, like everybody, I just want to know, I got a question for you before I get started. How many of you have ever watched Netflix or Hulu? If you're currently watching Netflix and Hulu, this is going to be for you. You're going to be very excited and you're going to love me, okay? Because you're already in that mode of watching Netflix and movies and TV and stuff like that. So this is going to be perfect for you, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can basically lay in your bed, okay? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, that's my view every morning. But stop it. Listen, lay in your bed, okay? And make money. And yes, this is legit. I'm going to prove it to you because I know I'm going to have some naysayers in here. Give me a like and a share if you don't mind. I'm asking for a like and a share and a sub right now, because I promise you I'm gonna give you massive value. If I don't give you massive value by the end of this video here, you can take it away or you can give me a like because I gave you that beautiful view of that gorgeous beach right here in Miami, Florida here, okay? Is that cool? All right, here we go. The first site is earnably.com. Write that down, okay? earnably.com, okay? You got it? This is how it works. Basically, you get points, okay? Every time. Now, have you guys noticed that I give gift cards away all the time? I know I haven't given any in the past couple of weeks, but these are the type of sites I get my gift cards from. Not just Amex, I get them from here too. You know, you just watch a bunch of videos and you get gift cards for free, right? Because you just gather up points. And this is real good if you're bored, you have nothing to do, you can just go here and basically watch content. They do give you cash as well, but they give you gift cards as well. So this is how it works. If you go to About here, one thing is free to sign up. And when you watch videos or go through surveys or whatever, and they pay you points. See? If you watch a video for 5 minutes, give you 17 points. Okay? Now in the points, they have another scale how they calculate points as it relates to dollars, but the points will give you the gift cards pretty immediately. And this is kind of cool. And listen, you can do all types of things with gift cards. Like me, I give them away to you for free because you watch my video, or maybe because you took time out of your day to learn something to better your life, right? So I give these away. You can give these to your customers. Make sense? Give them to your customers. They're free. Get one, give it to your customers. Customers like you. You know, give them something. So it's called the law of reciprocity here. Okay? Does that make sense? Everybody got it? So earnably.com. But listen, it's not going to make you rich, but it is some extra cash. Okay? Some extra cash. It's a beautiful website here. The next site is SuperPayMe. Superpay.me. Okay? And I think I signed up for an account. Did I join? And this is all you do. They paid out how much? $3 million? Wow. Join free today. Okay. I already have our account here. As you can see, this is brand new. And if you stay to the end of the video, and if you like this right now, I'm going to show you an autopilot way to get somebody else to do this. Okay. Got to be very creative, man. Okay. So, yeah, you just go to specifically offer walls and you go to video. Engage video. That's if you want to watch videos. Listen, that has many things, many options on this website that gives you the opportunity to make money. Okay, so look, here we go. 66 cents if you watch this video. So click on it. It's going to take you to another website by the name of Hot.tv. Yes, you must have a Hot account. Yes, it is free. Get it. Okay, make sense? And then you just start watching videos, okay? And you transfer your points back over to SuperPayMe. Does it make sense? Can somebody write this down for me? If I'm giving you value right now, listen, this is like a side hustle. How many of you are looking for a side hustle until you really understand the internet marketing industry and start making some major cash? All right, this is just side money, you know? It's just coming in. Put some gas in your tank. Maybe pay for groceries. I did it. You know, don't let your ego get the best of you. You know, it's just ways to make money. Crawl before you walk. Okay. I know you want to be at the beach with Wesley Virgin doing your feet like this. See? It's fun. Wee! Wee! But not yet. You're not ready. Okay? But eventually you will. Okay? All right, so that's all you do here. And they have many things you can do. You can refer. They got contests, $1,000. I mean, it's a great way. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you something that you can just lay in your bed and have other people do it. Okay? It's a little trick. It's a little technique that I used to use. Okay? All right. So here we go. Last website. I told you this is going to be a short video. Hold on. Okay. Inboxdollars.com. Inboxdollars. Write that down, please. Yeah, it says exactly what it means. I actually signed up today and got $5. You know, you get $5 just for signing up. Look at this. It's powerful here. Look at that. You get 2 cents if you want to watch a video here. And I know what you're thinking. 2 cents? 2 cents? Well, it's money. I don't care if it's a half a cent. It's money for me. That's how I think. I like making money. But they have other things like surveys. Look at that. For 50 cents, you can do a survey and make money. Okay? And listen, you know what you can do? You can just sit here. It's Sunday right now while I'm making this video. And just stay. You can just sit in your chair. Maybe you don't have a beautiful beach. And maybe you don't have that wind blowing against your pretty, gorgeous face. But maybe in your garage right now, on your air mattress, in your bedroom, whatever. You know, working until you make $100. You know, the average person does not make $100 per day at their job. So before you start to think derogatory about $100 a day, most of you don't even make $100 a day at your jobs. Make sense? Okay? You don't even make $20 you don't even make $20 an hour. So it's like, think about it. $20 an hour is about, $10 an hour is $80 a day. So about 12 to 15 bucks an hour is about $100 a day. So you basically, if you just keep going through this website and doing the surveys and watching the videos, doing all the stuff that they want you to do to make the money, just think about it. I promise you, in 2 to 3 hours, you can make $100, and now you don't have to go to your job and wait for $100 there. Does that make sense? All right, here's the site that you need to go to. Boom. Fiverr.com, baby. Let's go. Let's get it, baby. Go to Fiverr.com. You know, I use Fiverr for everything. I'm serious. I would use Fiverr if I could hire a Fiverr girl to come wash my body. Like, I can use my jacuzzi and she can just bathe me. I will hire her today. If I can hire a Fiverr girl to give me a massage every day for $5, I would. I swear to God. This site is amazing, right? So listen, let me show you how it works. So a lot of you are aware of Fiverr, but let me show you how to use it like a boss. So what you do is you scroll down to virtual assistant. You type in virtual assistant, because basically you're gonna hire somebody in another country for like 10 bucks, $5 or whatever. You're gonna say, hey, I wanna do a deal with you. I got this site by the name of Inbox Dollars, right? And all you have to do is go through these surveys, watch these videos, go through all these offers until you see that account hits $100 per day. And once you hit $100, I'm gonna pay you $5 or $10. Right? Say if you give them 10 bucks, you know, show them some love. So you give them 10 bucks, you'll make $3,000 a month, and they'll make $300 a month. And the average income in a lot of those countries is about $100. So, you know, $300 a month is gold. You see how we use leverage here? That's what a business person does. See how much value you're getting for free? I know what you're thinking. Wesley, you deserve a like and a kiss right now. Hey, only if you're a woman, okay? I'm sorry. Listen. You go to Fiverr. Listen, Fiverr. You find you a sweet, beautiful girl, or I like hiring women because, no offense, men, you're just lazy sometimes. And I don't want a lazy person. I like working with women because women listen and women just rock. I swear to God. Like, my next business partner will be a woman. I have Ariella. I made her. She said I made her $1 million, I guess. But I want to get somebody else. It's going to be all women. Because I love women because they work their ass off, okay? Look at here, look at here. You find someone on Fiverr.com, okay? Find somebody and you just message them, okay? See, contact seller and say, hey, I got a deal for you. I got this site here, and all I want you to do is go through the site all day until you see the money, the income here hit $100 or $200 or $300. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Like, you're the boss. Does that make sense? Like, you're the boss. You can say, hey, you can hire 3 of these people, right? Hey, I want you to go on superpayme.com. I want you not to leave this website until you see $100 has been earned for the day. I want you to go to inboxdollars.com, and I want you to stay here till it's $100 a day. Make sense? And you can send somebody to earnably.com. See what we're doing here? How many of you can do that? I'm curious. Now listen, let me share one more thing, because some of you might say, well, Wesley, you know, this doesn't work in my country. I don't see my country in the list when I try to sign up right now. What am I going to do? Listen to me and listen to me close. This is a key here. This is a key ingredient to success. Millionaires and billionaires, we always think there is a way. So what I want you to know, there's always a way to do something. Just because your country is not listed doesn't mean that you can't do it. Let me give you some more value. Get a VPN. It's called a virtual private network, okay? Just search Google, type in free VPN. What you do is you download the VPN and see if you're in India or Pakistan or some other country around the world. When you run this VPN, it'll put you in the States, okay? Because remember, the internet, to make this very simplistic, when you're online and you try to sign up for different sites, it only registers your IP. So based off the IP, it knows where demographical or geographical location that you're currently located. But if you have a virtual private network, which, you know, all the great marketers use this, by the way. You know, we never complain and say, oh, it's not gonna work. You get a VPN and then voila, then you can sign up. Make sense? Any question for me? I'm curious to know how many of you like the content and share the content with somebody else. I'm curious, because if I deserve it, you should do it. Any questions? And I'm going to ask the questions. Listen, you can always put your questions in the comment section below. If you want me to do different videos, put the type of video that you want. I have a vast amount of information as it relates to internet marketing, making money online niche. I'm really good at this. I'm fucking great at it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm really good. But it took me a long time to get it. I'm a slow learner, okay? But I figured it out, and I'm making millions a month. I know that sounds crazy, but it's just the truth, right? Thanks for the hug, man. I appreciate that hug, Dilemma. Yeah. Okay, any more questions for me before I let you guys go? Any more questions for you? I gave you the 3 sites, earnably.com, superpay.me, and inboxdollars.com. So this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.